What'd you say?
Do I look nice?
You do. You look very nice.
Mm-hmm.
Tell me about what you're wearing, Joy.
A costume.
Okay. Very nice. Are you ready for your picture? Okay, show me a cool pose. Ah, yeah. What's your superpower? Power.
Fire.
Fire? What do you do with fire?
When I fight the bad guys,
Mm-hmm. What do you do with the fire?
I Megazord it.
You Megazord it? And then, what happens?
It explodes.
It blows.
No, it explodes.
It explodes.
It explodes to the bad guys only.
Only to the bad guys? Okay. And then what happens to the bad guys?
They get dead.
They get dead. Oh, I feel sorry for them.
And then they turn to dirty people.
Oh, okay. That's good. That's wonderful. What a great superpower. So what is your name, superhero?
Ninja Fire Boy.
Ninja Fire Boy. Very good.
Here's that hands.
What is it?
Here's that hands.
Those are Mommy's hands. Okay.